Let's create your first video in Clevera. Click the New Video button. This opens the Clevera desktop app. Select the window or display you want to record, then click Start Recording. Now perform the task you want to capture. You can talk through it as you go, but that's completely optional. When you're done, click Stop Recording. Back in the web app, choose a few settings like tone, language, and voice, then hit Generate Video. In just a few minutes, your video is ready. You'll see the full script and voiceovers. You can edit the script directly or use the AI assistant to rewrite any part of it for you. There's also a lot you can do to customize your video. Add a background image, zoom into a specific area, add background music, or add elements like text, images, highlights, or blurs to focus attention where it matters. You can also change the narrator voice if you like. But that's not all. From the same recording, Clevera can automatically generate a written article too. It's fully SEO-friendly, includes screenshots with markers, and lays everything out as a step-by-step guide. Just like the video, you can edit it manually or let the AI assistant handle the changes. And if you need to reach a wider audience, the translation feature has you covered. Click Translate, pick a language, and within minutes, you'll have both your video and article translated and ready to share. When everything looks good, you can embed or export your video and article wherever you need them. That's it. You're all set with Clevera.